In this video, we are going to learn about whether Java programming is case sensitive or case insensitive. What is that case sensitive and case insensitive? Let me develop a program to demonstrate that. Click on File, highlight New, select Java. The name of the class is K. Here, let me give int data type. Int number is equal to 10 and int number is equal to 20. Int number is equal to 30. Int number is equal to 40. And I'm just printing the whatever this variable contains by using system.out.println. Copy it, paste it, copy and just paste. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Click on File, click on Save As, save this file with the same name as the class name, that is capital K. Now what is going on in this program? In the line number 5, I'm going to declare a variable called number. And what is the case here? What is the case of this word, or what is the case of this variable name? That is all in the lowercase, right? And I'm supplying this 10 to this int variable. So come to line number 6, int variable. Here, the first character of this variable name is in the uppercase, rest of the characters are in the lowercase. So why we are getting this red mark, right? That because it is a class, inbuilt class in Java programming. Number is an inbuilt class in Java programming, and as we have seen in the previous video, that we can able to use the inbuilt class name as the identifier names. In fact, we are using it as a variable name here. So it is perfectly valid, and we are supplying this 20 to this int variable. And come to line number 7. Here we are declaring this variable name, that the first character of this variable name, it is in the uppercase, and in the middle we are having this uppercase once again, and rest of all the characters are in the lowercase. And we are supplying this 30 to this variable name. Come to the line number 8, and all the characters of this identifier name, or all the characters of this variable name, it is in the uppercase, or upper character, upper alphabetical characters. Now for the normal normal user, right, for the normal user it might look the same, right? All these 4 variables or all these 4 identifier names, you know, it looks similar, or it looks same, like four variable names are meaning means same, right, number. But there is a huge difference in case of Java programming. But there is a huge difference. What is that difference? This number is not at all related to this this number. That is, whatever the smaller case number we have, it is not at all same as this. So whatever the name, that is the first character is in the upper case, right? The rest of the characters are in the lower case. It is not at all same. Both these two are different, right? This is what we are calling it as a case sensitive. And you can also consider like the first variable name, it is not at all related to the last variable name. That is the lowercase character variable name, it is not same as the uppercase character name, right? And these two identifiers or these two variables are totally different. So it is what we are calling the case sensitive, right? Case sensitive. That means it is whatever the variables we have declared, those are independent, right? So it is not at all same. Then we are printing the same, right? Then we are printing whatever the variables we have declared, we are printing by using the system.out.println. We are supplying the same character like to print whatever the content that is stored inside this variable. We are trying to print here by using system.out.println statements. So save this and come to the command prompt, trigger the java c command, java c space -d space // the name of the file, that is k.java. When you trigger this command, it works perfectly fine and you can able to run this program as well by using java command, java space -class path space // classes, just the name of the class we are going to run, that is k, uppercase k. Press enter. Here you can able to see that output 10, 20, 30, 40, right? So these are the individual variables, even though it is declared with the same meaning, right? For a common user, it looks the same. All these four variable names looks same, but it is not at all same. Why? Because Java programming is case sensitive. Unlike SQL. In case of SQL, it is case insensitive, right? In most of the case, I should say. In most of the case, it is case insensitive. But in case of Java programming, it is case sensitive. All right, guys. This is the simple example to demonstrate that whether the Java programming is case sensitive or case insensitive. I hope you have learned that what is exactly that means. Thanks for watching.